Hi there, and welcome to the North Bend Public Library Summer Reading 2021. Today I am going to show you how to make a rainbow in a jar. It'll sort of end up looking like this when you're finished. What you'll need is you'll need a half cup and a tablespoon, sugar, and 4 mugs that can go in the microwave, as well as 4 of the colors, red, yellow, green, and blue, and a pipette, and your jar. All right, so what we want is we want to put a half a cup of warm water in each of these mugs. So make sure it's only a half a cup in each one, even though they're different sizes. You only want a half a cup, because then we're going to add sugar to the water to make them different so they'll look like they'll float on top of each other. So you'll want to use, so right here we got red, yellow, green, and then blue. In the red one, you'll want to put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. So it'll be like 2 tablespoons of sugar. In this next one, you're going to want to put in 4 tablespoons of sugar. So the 2 is what was in the red jar, and 2 more makes it a little bit heavier. So then, guess what we put in the green jar? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many do you think goes in the last jar in the blue? We'll put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so we got 2, 4, 6, then 8. And you want to mix it up until they're all dissolved. And if they aren't quite dissolved, you can go ahead and pop it in the microwave for about 15 to 30 seconds and keep stirring it until it's all dissolved. So once it's all dissolved, you're going to want to start with the one that's got the most sugar in it, the heaviest one, which is the blue one, which, see, we pour into our jar. We got blue on the bottom. Then we're going to do green, but you don't want to just pour the green one in there. Otherwise, you're just going to end up with a muddy rainbow. That's where the pipette comes in. You'll put the pipette and just put the water just along the edge so as that goes in there. And here, I'll show you with this. Since we got some red in there, we'll go ahead and we'll put in right on the edge and just dip it in slowly. You don't want to go too fast. It's going to take a little bit of time for this. As you can see, doesn't really look like I have much yellow in there, and it's hard to say why. Maybe I didn't get the yellow color dark enough, or maybe I put it in too fast and it mixed in with the green. So you got the sugar, the water, and your mugs, which have about 2 drops each of the color. Maybe in the yellow one you need a little bit more. And when you're done, see, we can see the blue and the green and the red. There is yellow in there someplace, but it might have accidentally gotten mixed in with the green, or it's not dark enough to show up. So that is how you make a rainbow in a jar. And the sugar, you dissolve it into the water, and it makes the water different densities. So the red water with only the 2 tablespoons of sugar is going to be lighter than the blue water, which has 8 tablespoons of sugar. There you go. You've made a rainbow in a jar. Have fun with it, and I will see you next time. Bye.